Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Algebra challenge, can you find root 3 plus 1 over 2 power 9? It's a challenging problem. Let us try this. Here, let x equal root 3 plus 1 over 2. By cross multiplying, we get 2x equal root 3 plus 1. Then 2x minus 1 equal root 3. Squaring both sides, 2x minus 1, the square equal square of square root 3 is 3. Then expanding 2x minus 1, that is 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal 3. Then here 4x square equal 4x plus 3 minus 1. 4x square equal 4x plus 2. Then x square 4x plus 2 by 4. Then further simplification, x square equal 2 common 2x plus 1 by 2, 4, which is equal, cutting both, therefore 2x plus 1 by 2. We got x square equal 2x plus 1 by 2. From this we'll start further powers. Now x power 4 is nothing but x square power 2, that is 2x plus 1 by 2 the square, which is equal 4x square plus 4x plus 1 by 4. But already x square we have 2x plus 1 by 2 plus 4x plus 1 divided by 1 by 4. Now here 1 and 2 cut as 2, that is 4x plus 1 plus 4x plus 1, 4x plus 2 here, because we are multiplying with 2 into 2 is 4x, 2 into 1 is 2, 4x plus 1 by 4, that is 8x plus 3 by 4, which is equal x power 4. Then x power 8, x power 8 equal x power 4 into power 2. That means squaring this, 8x plus 3 over 4 the square, which is equal 64x square plus 2 into 8 into 3, 48x plus 9 over 4 squared is 16. Now further we substitute, already we have x square. X square is 2x plus 1 over 2. Here 64, 2x plus 1 over 2 is 4x square, 48x plus 9, 1 over 16. Here cutting 32. 32 into 2 is 64x plus 32 plus 48x plus 9 over 16, then which is 64x plus 48x equal 112 112x because 64x plus 48x, then 32 plus 9 is 41 over 16. This is x power 8. Now we need x power 9. X power 9 is nothing but x power 8 into x, which is equal 112x plus 41 over 16 into x, which is equal 112x square plus 41x over 16 is x power 9. But we have x square is x square, we have 2x plus 1 over 2, 112, that is 2x plus 1 over 2 plus 41x 1 over 16. Here 112 and this cut is 56. 56 into 2 is 112x plus 56 plus 41x over 16. Here 112 plus 41 is 153x, collecting x term, 153x plus 56 over 16. So this is our expression x power 9. Already we get x power 9 is this one, which means x power 9 is this x power 9, we got it, and that we can get the value of x is already root 3 plus 1 root 3 plus 1 over 2 whole power 9 is here. This expression. So this is equal, because x power 9 is we express in terms of x. If you substitute, therefore this is your code 153x plus 56 over 16. That means here we let root 3 plus 1 over 2 is x, that's power 9 is this expression. That means if you, we can check by using calculator. Check here, root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 by 2 is approximate equal 1.366. That means here 1.366 over 9 0.36 over 9 by using calculator. 1.366 over 9 equal 16.56 approximate. That means by using here this expression 153x plus 153x plus 56 over 16 equal 153 into 1.366 plus 56 over 16. Let us check right side here. 153 multiply 1.366 plus 56. This is equal to 64.998 over 16 equal to 64.998 divided by 16 equal 16.56 approximate. So we expressed root 3 plus 1 over 2 power 9 is this. That means by using algebra we solved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.